Staple, smashing them down. Yes, sir. All the way back. Without damaging the door frame. You want your piece of plywood to be able to go under that so that when you step on your door, and you'll see that a lot, you step on your door right here and it will sag. That's because nothing's under there. We could also take and run a strip under here and then block it in here. Doesn't matter. If that's all you can do, that's what I would recommend you doing. But if you can get your plywood under there, it's always good. If you can't, put a block in there, block your wall, and call it good. Just make it solid. by the way, we live right off the coast where that China balloon was shot down, the big one. First big one. Huh?
Is that what it was?
That balloon they shot down?
Yeah.
That first one with all that equipment at the bottom, yeah. That's a China spy balloon. Right off of, they shot it right off of Myrtle Beach.
Right.
But we're right across from Myrtle Beach, so they were watching it from the pirate stock first time I seen it. At the pirate stock down in Yopon.
Yeah.
Somebody filmed it from there.
Huh.
Yeah.
How do you know the boom?
Could see it. Put a big old F-16 up there or something, shot her down.
UFO, man.
Yeah, I said that too. Said that too. So you heard about the UFO?
Huh?
You heard about the UFO?
Yeah, I believe in that shit.
I know you do, Paul. You are a UFO guy.
They coming. You know, say that they already here.
Everything good takes time, Paul.
Yeah, it does. Hand me some of them boxes behind you.
Yeah.
I need the bottom ones first. Or hand me all of them. Either one.